Hey guys, before I get into this video, I want to thank you guys so much for all the support and love I get on my channel. I think my channel resonates with people because I show you that you can make this work with little to no money. I don't have fancy equipment. My first few jobs, I did it out of a Toyota Camry, and that was in March of 2023. So it's not even a year ago at this point. And I've slowly worked my way up, and it's been rough because my son was born the same time my business was born, essentially. So it's like pretty much having two kids. It's been rough, but I know the springtime is coming. And for any of you new guys, if you're trying to learn the industry, if you're trying to ask a million questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments. I will absolutely respond to every single comment as best as I can, as well as you can call me. It's on my phone number's all over the channel. You can send me emails, you can pretty much do anything, and you can make video requests for future videos. Most of my videos are on the job while I'm washing houses or concrete or roofs or whatever, but I'd like to do videos, one-off videos, where I explain something or show you my equipment or how to use it or what to do, how to use the chemicals, whatever questions that you have that you're unsure of heading into the spring season. This is when business picks up tremendously, and when people are on the internet searching for advice and stuff like that. So feel free to leave a comment with video suggestions, with any questions. I'd love to help you out. So anyways, I wish you all the success in the world for this coming up year and beyond. And just don't give up. This business you can do part-time, you can do barely, like if you still have a full-time job, you don't have to do this. You could just do it on the weekends and make pretty decent side money. If you want to make it a full-time thing, don't expect to make full-time money right out of the gate. You gotta learn the business, become a real business person. There's a difference between knowing how to pressure wash and soft wash versus knowing how to run a pressure washing, soft washing business. Business and the actual service you're providing is two different things. Now, if you're good at both, then that's where success comes in. But if you've only mastered pressure washing, like actually doing the work, but you don't know nothing about business, how to generate leads, follow up, how to track everything, how to grow, how to reinvest. If you don't know all that stuff, it's going to be very hard for you. So ask those questions as well. Anyway, let's get into the video. What's going on, YouTube family? Got a good one today. Doing this garage, that garage, and that house. All the way around. Should be fun. I haven't figured out how to get these iron stains out, so I'm not gonna worry about it for now. So let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Watch this stuff melt off. There's no SH in it right now, but it's coming. There you go. Think those gutters need to be cleaned out? Watch this stuff melt off. Just applied soap, literally not even 2 minutes ago, and it's already melted most of that stuff off. That's gonna come off in the next couple of minutes. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, and we'll be good to go, baby, on the garage. And we'll start on the house. Garage is done, we're on to the house. And this isn't really the dirty side, but it's still pretty dirty. It's like ketchup and mustard. Wasp nest. There's a bad wasp nest up here, so I'll probably get stung. They're active too. Alright, so I had that same hose that's busted twice is busted for the third time. So now I only have 100 foot of hose. So it looks like I gotta buy a brand new 100 foot hose. I don't have to. I could roll the machine around, but I don't really want to do that. It's a waste of time and it takes a lot of energy. So I gotta get another hose, which is fine. It's part of the business, for sure. Got that side done, it's looking freaking great. Starting around the garage, gotta work my way around. I only got 100 foot of hose, so it's gonna be a pain in the butt. This is taking entirely too long. All I got is that wall in here, and then from here to this front side, and that's it. But damn, this is taking way too long. That hose busting really screwed me up. I had to move the truck, so I didn't have to carry around the machine, so it's been a little extra than I wanted, but it's okay. That's how it goes in the business. The longer you do it, the more you're gonna have to replace equipment. Equipment's gonna go bad. This is the hose that went bad. I already had 2 crimps. It turns out one of my family members, I had the hose laying in the grass in my front yard, and it was my fault, but one of my family members parked their big ass truck on it, and it crushed it all on one side. So I should have known that this hose was pretty much gone. But it is what it is, guys. That's business. You live and you learn, make mistakes, do stupid stuff to hopefully eventually not do stupid stuff eventually. So let's get it. All right, almost done. Almost done. Finally done with that job. It took me forever. I haven't had one of those type of jobs in a while where it took me just forever. Felt like I just couldn't move. It was too damn hot. And then one of my hoses busted, so it screwed me up, but that's the name of the game, baby. You gotta love it. Even in the hardest times, in the darkest days, I'd rather be doing this than what I was doing in the past, which was not taking action, not pursuing my goals and dreams, just relaxing, chilling. I'd rather have a million bad days doing this than, 2 million good days doing that. I don't know if it's a good analogy, but you get what I'm saying. At least I'm pursuing my goals and my dreams. I'm providing for my family and doing the best I can. Like, that's it. That's all we can do, is just do the best you can. Every time you go out there, do the best you can. And it will come back tenfold. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment with any recommendations, any compliments, any complaints.